Hi everyone, in front of me I've got ZTE Blade A32 and let me share with you how to check for the software updates on this device. So first of all, the most important thing in this whole video is the internet connection. So make sure that you've got one, you can use Wi-Fi or mobile data, and then let's enter the settings. Here we have to scroll down to the very bottom to find the system. And now let's tap on Advanced. As you can see at the very bottom of this list, we've got the system update, so simply tap on it. And here your device will check for the updates, will check whether anything is available to download. And you can meet actually two different scenarios. Right now you can see the first one where the software is up to date, so basically we cannot do anything more. It's simply an information that everything is okay and we have nothing to download. And the second scenario, the second option, is that you've got some kind of updates to download. Your device will show you the name of the update and will show you what has been fixed, what has been added, and basically what the update contains. And you will be able to simply tap on download or install, and then your device will update the software. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.